say I was wrong. Just a five-letter word was so strong. Well, somebody sing me a song, make every note weigh a ton, bury me down till I'm gone. 'Cause these words, they don't mean a thing, 'cause I learned it's all just a wonderful scheme designed to confuse you and me. A beautiful dream, deep but weak, a two-letter word, but surely a meaning that most of us see. So why do we need to believe? I'm just wondering, what do you think? I'm just asking, what do you mean? 'Cause I've been using political means to stay on the scene and see what you mean. I'm just dancing into your dream. I wanna believe. When we were young, a story was gold, and the lines were more than just paper and foam. But the professor, he told me it's so. Deconstructing every word